Hey, what's going on? Long time no see. Got a little project going on here. So, haven't been around a while. I know, been really busy. Told you guys last video, I was having a daughter. Well, I had a daughter, and I've been, kind of locked in on life. But now I'm kind of back. I'm trying to slowly get back into things that I was supposed to be doing months ago. And yeah, quick rundown. I'm just gonna let you guys know that it's totally not my fault that I have not been uploading. I'm still waiting to finish the Maxima. Some things happen, personal things to my guy that's did all the wiring. I'm not gonna get into it, but it's kind of a sad situation, but he'll be okay. He's coming back to the game. I've talked to him and figured out what's going on. We got a plan going forward. Hopefully in a couple more weeks, I'm gonna do another video when I go drop that off to get some of the intercooler work done. And I haven't figured out what we're gonna do yet precisely, but again, we'll get there in due time. I'm gonna do my best. But for right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw on some intakes. I think they are the VQ Carbon Custom ones, which are the cheap ones, because I wasn't gonna get the zero ones and spend a bunch of money. They're the same exact thing. I'm really trying to do this without pulling the bumper off and without pulling this thing off too. Like, I think I can do this without taking this entire car apart. I really don't want to take everything apart. Don't want to take the bumper off because I'm at home. I'm not at work. If I was at work, I'd pull the bumper and be done, but I'm not. So I'm gonna try to do this really quick, and if I can't, I'm gonna put it back together and then do it at work. But I'm off tomorrow, so I'm gonna just do it real quick and do a quick video at home. I got an IPL engine cover and I got a new emblem as well for this. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna get something called, I think it's called Back to Black, to make this unashy. I tried to use like some degreaser. As you can see, it came out horrible. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue working to take this car apart so I can try to do these intakes really quick. So I'm not gonna put the GoPro on. It's not really worth it. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen before how to work on a G37. It's pretty simple. I think I gotta take these off though. These hoses. I think I have to take these hoses off though. And I don't know if I have any pliers, but again, we'll get there. We'll see what's up. I have pliers in my truck, but again, we will see. I might be able to just squeeze those clamps with my fingers and then go from there. So stay tuned. Be right back. All right, I got everything apart. I got the oil intakes out, the oil airbags. I had to loosen this hood lock for a little bit because it was like stuck pried on there. I couldn't get it off, so I loosened the hood lock. I gotta put that back. Looking so far, looking so good. We're doing this without taking the bumper off. I'm trying to. Doing this the lazy way. Best way to do this job is take the bumper off. Just save yourself trouble. But me personally, I think I can do shit without taking the bumper off. So next thing I'm gonna do now is I'll start prepping the new intake pipes to install them. Give me 1 second. All right, so I know I never finished recording the other video because things got real. I had to go upstairs inside, but here's the finished product. I kind of washed the bay a little bit. Well, not really washed the bay, but I took like some soap and some water, a bucket, and I just started, cleaning it a little bit. It's really dirty. Oh shit, that's a Z3M. It's pretty dope. But yeah, man, it's pretty much done. VQ Carbon Customs intakes, 2.5 inch, nothing really crazy, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. I gotta get a new emblem for this. I ordered one. I did a lot of research, and I said that the Infinity QX4 you can use that emblem, but it really didn't work. So, yeah. As far as like the timing cover, like that's gonna look ugly. It's old car, 09, so nothing more I can really do about that. Only way you fix that is when you do the gallery gas. You can paint it, but the gallery gas are already done on this car, so it is what it is. I don't really care. It's not that serious. But man, I washed the car at work. It doesn't look bad, man. It looks really good. I'm really happy how, like, I want to say it's been what, 2 years? Has it been 2 years? 2 years since I owned this car. It's coming up in July, so In the 2 years I've owned this car, I've got no complaints. I've done a lot of maintenance, plugs, valve cover gaskets, valve cover tube seals. I did water down arc pipes. I still have to upload that video. I'm all over the place, man. I told you guys, man, I had another kid, I have a daughter, so I've just been really locked in on focus on that. And she actually just turned 1 on Tuesday, this past Tuesday. So yeah, man, it's just, you know. Funny story about this quarter. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a clear mismatch between the two colors. I'll tell that story another day. Pretty much, this car got into a fender bender, and the job was kind of still under warranty, and it actually started to rust. So I brought the car back to the body shop with the receipt with my boy, with his insurance company, what they paid for. I made them fix it, and I guess because, you know, I made them do warranty work, they dicked me and they painted the wrong color. I still have to go back, but right now it doesn't really bother me that much. You can only see it like kind of like in light like this inside. Like outside, it's not really that noticeable. To me, it's noticeable as hell, but we're just gonna shoot this side of the car. But yeah, it is what it is. Like that, I'll get fixed eventually. Not really stressed about it right now. No rust on the car, everything's good. Next upload is, I'll probably have to do the trans because I've had it for almost a year and I haven't even touched it. I haven't done anything about it. If you guys are OG subscribers, you know I posted a video on the trans a couple weeks, months, years ago, maybe a year ago, and never got it done. But we're trying, man. I'm trying. I think the inside's kind of dirty, not really dirty, but got my stuff everywhere. I just came from the gym. Seats are still good. I got a bottle of water in here. It's an old rag. I'm just gonna just wipe down the interior. Red still hits. No rips or anything. Got a whole box back there. Everything's still good, man. I got no complaints. Yeah, man. So next video will definitely on this car will definitely be the trans. It's not really gonna be a really informative video. It's just gonna be a drag and drop. As far as plans go for, like, you know, boost on this car, I don't think I'm gonna. I haven't really fully decided, but I'm like 90% decided on not boosting this car because it's just so reliable, man. I drive it. It's every day. It's like kind of like my getaway from reality video, where I can just hop in and just, you know, drop a gear and just feel a little bit of power. I do have a Maxima update video coming soon though, so we're gonna talk about that in the next upload. But for right now, yeah, man, this is it. G37, so 09, 6-speed. It was a completely converted to pretty much an IPL, even though it's not a real IPL, but whatever. Like all the IPL parts. Headlights, front bumper, grille, side skirts, rear bumper, rear wing, you name it. Red interior with the IPL logos, IPL mats, stuff like that. I used some pretty good back to black stuff on this plastics in here. It looks really good. I really love it. But yeah, hopefully not tomorrow, well, when I have time, I'm trying to do the bay, like all this crusty stuff down here, like just move this relay box, move the power steering reservoir, just move it out of the way, unbolt it, take it off, and just take some soap and water and just clean it in there and take some air and dry it out.